how to create a Steam account. So first, just open up a browser and search for Steam. Now, once you're here, just simply click on the Steam, welcome to Steam link right here. Just wait for it to load. Now, once you're here, just simply go to the top right where it says login. So just simply click on that. Now this will bring you right here, and here at the bottom, if you scroll down a little, you will see a create an account option. So just simply click on that. Now you will need to enter your email address, your country of residence. Just input it right there. Now once you've input your email address, you just simply need to click on the captcha right here. So verify the captcha. So select all fire hydrant. So this all right there. So click on verify. Once that's done, just simply check on the tick box right here if you're 13 years of age or older. Then just click on continue. And you will need to have a verification. So just simply open up your email and go to the verification that was sent. So this will be the verification, and what you need to do is just simply click on verify my email address right there. So just simply click on it. And it will bring you right here, and it will say that your email has been verified. So please return to the previous window to complete verifying your email address. So when we go back here, we just simply need to add the Steam account name and just choose your password. Now once you've input your Steam name and password, just simply click on done. And just wait for it to create your account. Now, as you can see, I now have my Steam account right there. That's how I basically create an account on Steam.